Good morning to all. This is Dr. T. Gangaya, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government Degree College, Lakshadpet. As a part of my assignment, FDP assignment, uh, so I took OBS software to record my video lesson. So first of all, what I learned in this program. So OBS. So what are the features of OBS? And I'm going to explain a small tool about in this video lesson. Okay. So OBS has certain so many features. So now we are able to see my picture as well as my information. So this is text and this is my college logo and background scene we are seeing one more interesting figure. These are the things we can add by clicking these sources. Whenever you want to add sources, you come here and you can take here plus symbol with basically clicking plus symbol. You whatever the what I added is here I added image means background. This type of image, whatever the images you want to add you can add here. How many images you want to add you can add by small pieces. It will get. So this is capped. I used this one. So next one is text messages. So some my information, if you audio only audio I want to tell in audio lesson, so they will see this picture and my voice only. So for that reason I use this text message. So whenever we are going to present a lesson, so first slide should be first I took I can as a first scene as I took this one. So I added this one. So these are again I took another text image. So here this is the second image I kept here smaller size. So how many images you want to keep you can keep here. So these are the features I learned here only. So next one, so how to add it another scene. So another scene means, so by clicking here you can go, otherwise you can directly 1 2 3 by assigning hotkeys to the scenes. So I will add as scene 1 for this one. So I'm keeping. Now I came to the regular mode. So in this way, in this scene I only use two things. So the first one is display capture. That means display means the entire screen of my computer is you are able to see now. The second one is video capture. So I am able to see, you are able to see me. So because it is capturing my video, my face. So face capturing or video capturing. So it is collecting my input audio also. So like this we can use. So from this, what are the things you want to tell to your students, you can tell. So last but not least, so another scene. So if you don't want to share so many things, just 10 to 15 minutes video you want to discuss or you want to share a PPT, just directly I can click another scene. So by clicking here, how many scenes you want to take, you can take. So in the scene 3, what I kept here, by clicking here or otherwise by clicking 3 I added 3 as a. So these are the background. We are unable to see now the background of the previous slide, previous scene. So I kept as a color source. By using color source I keep this as a color source. So after this, so I want to play, suppose I want to explain about some differential equations or whatever you want to say. So I can use a PPT direct. I cannot use PPT directly. So from that PPT, take image format pictures. So copy individually. So by adding individually we will get the image slideshow. So how many, not only PPTs, you want to show some images or you want to show your photos, so that you can share. So this is image slideshow. Now I'm opening it. So now it is visible. So these things I use to draw with auto draw. So if time permits I will explain. So these are the I want to discuss what is the degree of the differential equation, what is the order of the differential equation. This is a image copied from website. So what are the images you want to use, you can use here. This will go and go. So by you can assign the keys for left and right, like that. So in this way you will use image slideshow also. We can use this one. This is by adding sources to the third scene. So if you don't want now this one, I don't want to say teach with PPT. So if you want to share some students with a video, if you suppose if you are unable to tell some concept, so you can take some videos from so most of the videos are available now on YouTube. So I want to share some video. So now I am adding this media source. By clicking media source, you what are the video you want to show, you can show directly. So now I am showing one video, just see it. Yeah, this is the video I want to show. I think you are hearing the voice. Okay, so by showing this, so now I'm stopping the video. So after showing, if you want to ask anything about the video, or suppose some topic already it is discussed, so these are the way how what are the doubts you have on that video, you can discuss later after showing the video. If you are very busy, so unable to prepare a lesson, then directly you go through like this. So otherwise, if you want to share, if you are already inside the classroom, then directly you come to the original face of the OBS. Now come, you can share what you want to tell now itself. So I just in the short period, I'm explaining what are the things I know about some tool. So you go to Google, I want to explain about the auto draw. So if by clicking here, you write just auto, it is already suggesting. So auto draw by selecting, so it like this it will come. So you may not get because it already I previously I worked with this one. So that's the reason I came here. So these are the options here. So you can start a empty slide, or you can download this picture. So you can share the picture. So so what are the shortcuts this feature this tool has, auto draw software has. So like this it will. So for I already explained this one, so I am how to use this one. So for example, I am downloading it. After downloading, it is already. So now I copying, saving, imaging. So you can download, you can save the image whatever whenever you want to use, you can. So if you want to share, so you can share. It will create a link. So here it is the link, the copy link. You can copy, otherwise you can directly Twitter, you can send Twitter or Google Plus. So I am copying here. So like this, copy. After copying, so if you want to share, you can use the that link wherever you want to copy. So for my demo, I am using this one. So I am sharing to my students of my Google Classroom. So I clicked on one of my and Chrome extensions, classroom, share to classroom extension. I opened here. I think so it is taking time. So by copying link, you can share. So whenever you want, it is not opening now. I think my okay, it is coming. So yeah, you can directly post, or you can push it any which class you want to share, you can share. So push the students. So think about it, or you can ask a question. So read, ask, do you know? Just I am asking, ask a question like this. So ask directly when I am asking the questions to the students. So like this you can share. You if you are able to now, you can see here. So due to the time factor, I am hurrying. So this is the question, do you know? By clicking here, the students will see. So here, question, what is the question? Here it is there. So by clicking here, do you know the question? What is that? Like this, you can share the students. So how to draw the actually how to draw this one? So that is the thing we have to learn. So coming back to here, auto draw, it is, yeah, you can select a new one. Yeah, so these are the tools we are going to use. This is the main tool, auto draw. So which figure you want to draw, that is the thing, you give the outline. So just I am giving. So this is my duck figure. So it is already suggesting so which type of duck you want. So here so many are there. Just I am clicking for our demo purpose. This is my duck. So here you can use color filling. So which type of color you want, you can, otherwise so I don't want this border after coloring. So I change my color to black. Here I am clicking on the line only, so duck will becomes black. So now I am using the color, so it may not be good for, so just I am using yellow duck. So I want to, if you want to type here, you can type. Okay, so you can select, by selecting this one, you want to keep wherever you want to keep, which you can. So the size of the duck, so like this. So okay, now I am going to use one more tool. This shapes, only three shapes are available. So for border purpose I am using not this. I don't want this one. I can undo. So I am selecting this one. So I am selecting this again. Selection button. So this one. So I don't want this border as a yellow. So I can select a black. Fill color on the border. No, it is not coming. So I think before that I have to select it. So okay, now if you don't want to leave it plain, so you can fill the color, what which type of color you want to use as a background. So I want to use this blue color, or otherwise any other color. So by clicking here it will come. So like this, so you can use, you can draw figures immediately, and you can, again it is, you can download, you can share it. This is a very interesting tool to prepare PPTs, or you want to ask a assignment, or you want to post some questions, or you want to suggest something, anything. So you can directly post it. So this is the thing I want to explain by using my lesson through OBS. Thank you one and all. Finally, I have to say special thanks to Dr. Surendranath Reddy. He explained very well to create much more interest on OBS. Thank you one and all.